Litania Sports Group, based in Champlain, Illinois, is a world leader in the manufacture of high-quality precision sports equipment. The company's brands include Guild Athletics and Porter Athletic. From its Illinois factory, Litania distributes its product lines around the world through local sporting goods distributors. Technology Evaluation Centers, TEC, a world leader in impartial software planning, evaluation, selection, and adoption, helped Litania select a new ERP solution to replace an aging legacy system, which was hindering the company's bottom line and market competitiveness. The analytical nature of TEC's comprehensive selection process and scoring system not only appealed to me, but also seemed a necessity for this major decision. We specialize in athletic equipment. That's our industry. But our knowledge of the ERP marketplace is limited. TEC's project delivery manager came in, took the time to understand our business, and was able to provide knowledgeable recommendations of the market. An ERP is a major software system, one that impacts every area of the company. Gathering all ERP requirements is a long and tedious process. TEC's pragmatic approach helped us save time without overlooking any of our critical needs, and it allowed us to compare systems on a level playing field. We were so grateful to have TEC's project delivery manager in the vendor negotiations. He understood what the vendor was saying, but more importantly, what the vendor was not saying. And he was able to read the situation clearly to make sure our needs and budget were protected. Replacing a 22-year-old legacy system is a major endeavor. But we feel confident we're on the right track to once again leverage technology to achieve our business goals and continued success. For 25 years, TEC has specialized in making sure its clients maximize their investment by helping them confidently plan, select, and adopt the best software solution based on their business needs and by negotiating favorable contract terms and pricing. We are technology evaluation centers. The choice is clear.